Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a traveler or someone who's constantly on the go, you know that finding the right travel accessories can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to be a game changer for your travel essentials, the 18-pack travel bottles for toiletries. These TSA-approved silicone, leak-proof, and refillable bottles claim to take the stress out of packing your liquids, creams, and lotions. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's break down what this set offers. This 18-piece travel bottle set includes everything you need to pack your toiletries in a way that's both convenient and secure. You'll find 2 3-ounces and 2 2-ounce silicone bottles for liquids like shampoo and conditioner, spray bottles for your favorite mist or toner, 4 cream jars for moisturizers or face creams, plus funnels, labels, a brush, and spatulas, all packed in a handy toiletry bag for easy storage. It's a well-rounded kit for anyone who's serious about organizing their travel-sized products. When it comes to using these bottles, the experience is incredibly user-friendly. The silicone material is soft but sturdy, and the bottles have a 3-layer leak-proof design, complete with a flip-top lid that ensures no accidental spills or leaks in your bag. I took these on a recent trip, and I tested them in a variety of conditions, from tossing them into my carry-on bag to packing them in my checked luggage. And I can confidently say they did not leak a single drop. This is a huge plus for travelers who know the struggle of leaking toiletries, ruining clothes or electronics. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The positives are clear. These bottles are TSA-approved, made from high-quality, non-toxic, BPA-free silicone, and they're reusable, which is not only eco-friendly, but also wallet-friendly in the long run. The wide mouth design of the bottles makes refilling them super easy, and the variety of accessories included, like the funnels and labels, adds an extra level of convenience that you don't always find with other travel kits. On the flip side, if I had to nitpick, the bottles are a bit on the small side for people who like to bring larger quantities of their skincare or hair care products. But for short trips or essential items, the size is more than adequate. In terms of value for money, this set definitely delivers. With 18 pieces, you're getting a lot of versatility for your dollar. When compared to other travel bottle kits, most of them only come with 5 to 10 pieces, and the added bonus of the funnel, brush, and spatulas makes this kit stand out. Plus, the leak-proof design is a major selling point. You're getting all the right features at a very reasonable price. Now, in terms of alternatives, you could find smaller travel kits or basic bottle sets, but many don't offer the same level of leak-proof security or premium material that this one does. While there are some cheaper options out there, they often lack the build quality and thoughtful design features that make these bottles so reliable. So, if you're willing to spend a bit more for guaranteed quality and peace of mind, this is worth the investment. As far as build quality and longevity, these bottles are made from durable materials that should hold up well over time, especially if you're using them for short or medium trips. The flexibility of the silicone makes them resistant to cracks or breakage, a common issue with rigid plastic bottles. Even after a few rounds of refills and packing, they still look brand new. I haven't had to contact customer support for this product, but their satisfaction guarantee is reassuring. If you ever run into any issues with the bottles, the brand promises to make it right, which shows they stand behind their product and care about customer satisfaction. In conclusion, these 18-pack travel bottles for toiletries are a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their travel packing process. They're reliable, versatile, and well-designed with leak-proof protection that gives you peace of mind while traveling. If you're someone who frequently travels or enjoys outdoor activities, this set is definitely worth considering. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review on travel essentials and more. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this set or have any other travel must-haves, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. Until next time, travel light and pack right with Beautyistic.